Hi friends, this is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh Programming channel and I wish you a happy Programmers Day, 12 September 2020. And now today we'll discuss about the Matlab. First open the Play Store and then search for the Matlab. Then you can see here it is consisting of 4.5 MB and hope I am opening the files of photos and all. And now here you can see some of the Matlab photos. And now we'll press install and it will install within maybe minimum of 1 minute. You need to wait some time and it has completed. Now we will open the Matlab, press open, and then here you can see the welcome screen of the Matlab, and now we'll press continue, and then it will ask for the email ID. If you don't have any before MathWorks email ID, then you can press on the create one. Then it will ask for the your email ID, and after that your first name and country. We need to enter the country, which country. Now I am entering India, and then we need to give our first name and the last name. I have already created an ID, so I will go back by direct login. Now I have given the email ID, and then now I am giving the password. And it is creating cloud. It is opening the cloud. It consisting of the cloud, that is 250 MB of space and 5 GB of space. To get 5 GB we need to upgrade. I don't want to upgrade, so I will continue with the 250 MB. And now here you can see the commands, files and all, and from next video we will see all of them. And thank you for watching my videos, and this is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh Programming. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.